going fast. Yeah. Oh, the thing say he won't risk it anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got to stay on the gas.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy, huh?
Oh, wow.
There's a little tornado in the water over there.
Yeah.
They're going to come through.
Yeah. Cuidado con el...